Greetings, folks. It is I, the No Pro, Patrick Major, and here today I'm going to show you how you can create a post on Tangled Social that will get you a lot of likes and comments. It's a very simple post. It's a thank you post for conversations that are taking place on Tangled Social at the moment with your subscribers, and it's very simple to do. Uh, all I'm going to do is basically, I'll start with copying my prompt because I use AI to help me with my stuff. So, this is my prompt, and right now I'm going to use Copilot. So, we'll put the prompt in. I already have my colon there. And now we'll go back to Tangled Social, and I'm going to copy all of the conversations. I hope it does it right. There we go. We're getting there. Like so, all the way to the bottom. And I'm going to copy. And then from there, we're going back to Copilot. And I'm going to paste that. And we'll see what we got. And I want it to list all of them. So sometimes AI doesn't do everything you want. Okay, so there's a lot of duplicates. That's why it did what it did. Okay, great. So now I have my description. This is what my prompt was, by the way. I'm sorry. Create a short post acknowledging all of the great conversations taking place on Tangled Social. Include a title, emojis, and hashtags. And from all of that I copied, these are the people who are having conversations. So there must have been duplicates, so it eliminated the duplicates. So now, all I'm going to do is create my post. Very simple. I'll copy everything. If you hit the copy message button, when you paste it, it's not going to paste it properly. It's going to paste the code for things like the bold print and things. It won't paste it as bold print. That's something that you should be aware of. And now I'm going to go back to Tangled Social and click on Create Post. It should go in here the way I want when I paste it the way. Yes, it didn't do exactly what I wanted. That's a title, so we'll make that italics and bold the print. Let's see, and I want to make sure I have it spaced so it's easier to read. And we'll space that. I'll leave that like that. That looks good. And we'll do that. I like to add an image. I always have a couple of thank you. No, in downloads, dum dum. Sorry. What happened to all of my stuff? Let's hope this is the one. No, 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 no. There we go. Now, I'm not going to edit all the mistakes I just made. I don't edit. And there we go. That's loaded. We'll go to next. Now, I'm going to make the comment visible immediately. Um, If you wanted to, you could charge a post unlock fee. That would be that you would charge a certain amount. It could be 1,000 Milix. Milix is the currency that's used to pay here on Tangled Social. It could be 10,000 Milix. I've seen some as high as 1,000,000 Milix, depending upon what the content is. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to schedule it. I want everyone to see it. This is not adult content. It's not 18 plus, and nor is it a calendar event. You always have to make sure you have something in your balance for the post create fee, which is 10,000 Milix. Going to hit next. Add funds on promotion is if you wanted to promote the post. I'm not going to promote this one. You always want to mention all of your subscribers because they'll automatically be notified that you have a post. And then you choose the wallet you want to use. You have a choice of your primary wallet, your reaction wallet. That's what um, you'll receive Milix when people like and love or dislike or whatever and comment on your post. And this is from your affiliate, your signups that you get from your affiliate efforts, what they earn. So you get part of their earnings as well. Um, so my fee is going to be a total of 307,500 Milix. I'll just use my reaction mix and I'm going to post it. Now, because I have a video, it's going to be a while. It takes a few seconds for it to process and it'll be available. And as simple as that, that's how you create a very simple post that will get you a lot of comments and likes. And just in case you didn't see it, I'll do it one more time. And this time I'll do it with all of the people who either mentioned me, replied, and made a comment, or they subscribed to me. And again, I'll do the same thing. I'll copy everything from top to bottom. As you see, the post is now complete. The video is done. And there you have it. And there's my thank you video. Very simple. I made it on Adobe Express. And from there, we'll go home. Let's see what's in what's new. There it is. It's posted. I just earned 1,000. I gave myself 1,000 for looking at the video. Well, the post. It has a video. Excuse my mistakes. Each time you scroll and view a post, they earn 1,000 Milix from you. You'll see it change green here in the right corner. They just got 1,000 Milix. Now, as I digress and ramble on, let's go back to what I was doing, and I did that out of order. Now, I have my prompt for Copilot. Bang. We're going to paste it. And we'll gather. I have to copy it again. No biggie. Gather all of the comments, mentions, and subscribers. Copy. Oops, not there. It goes into Copilot. My bad. Sorry. Paste. And there we go. Once it's done rendering its response, I will copy. I don't want the prompt and the input. We'll copy, minimize. I'll go back to create post. I'm going to hit paste. I always like my titles to be bold and italicized because I don't put quotes around them. And again, I make it easy to read by spacing. I'll leave that like that. We'll do that. And we'll space there. I'll add a video. And we'll put thank you to there. We'll hit next. I won't make it immediate. I'll do it 30 minutes from now. And we'll hit next. Always mention all subscribers, my wallet. There should still be enough in there. And we'll post. And it is rendering the video. And once it's done, the post will be live and active. And it will notify everyone here that I have a new post. And eventually, I will begin to receive payments and acknowledgement from the post. And that's basically it, folks. How you would create two simple posts that will get you quite a few comments and likes so you can bolster your earnings on Tangled Social. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. And if you're watching on social media, hit the heart button as well. And there will be a link in the description to Tangled if you're interested in joining social media that pays for your efforts, as well as other useful links. So again, I do thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.